Hey guys, it's Daddy here. We're doing another uh, race game on here with Brae. Uh, Brae is winning 1-0. We did this one a little earlier. The first one, we're doing the second one now, and we are going to do a multiplayer crash battle. So let's see what's going on here. Second game we've done. First game I got destroyed. So just waiting for Brae.
This very hard.
Brae keeps unplugging his. I have a wireless controller, and Brae's got a wired one, and he keeps unplugging it. So we will wait for him to get plugged in and hit start. Player 2 must hit start. Okay, let's see. We will do
Hollywood spills.
We'll do Hollywood spills. So I gotta pick my junker.
But you
I'm going to go to the primer, and then Brae's got his car he's going to pick. We'll probably do a couple of these because this won't take too long. Steer your wreck into a rival to score an after touch takedown. I think this is one that shows how much damage I have. I think, I can't remember. But we will look. Yeah.
Oh no.
Okay, I'm first. No, we both go. Here we go. I didn't do too good.
Well, I did 38,000. And then I go crash into.
That was it.
You got 5,000.
I got $5,000 worth of damage to cars, and Brae's got 38,000.
That's it.
The Hollywood one is not a good one for us.
Yeah, what would we choose another set?
We'll do another one here. That was horrible.
Yeah, that was very horrible.
Brae wins. So we will go back, and Brae has 2 wins. I have none. Shocker. So we'll do. Let's see. Oh my gosh, there's crash battle. Brae's got to hit his button. We will do the deconstruction site. That one's better. Going back to that car. Okay, Brae's gonna pick his car. Okay, here we go. Number 2. Yeah, this one's better.
That's all I get?
Am I finally going to win one? 300. Oh, look at all that damage I'm causing. 3/4. Oh, Daddy finally obliterated Brae in one, finally. I'm causing over $3 million worth of damage. Brae's is only 32,000. And they're cheering me. Hear that? Oh, I got some more. Bring them over. I'll take it.
No!
Yay!
Why?
I finally won one.
I just did the ramp. You.
Brae did the ramp. I went straight across. Daddy
Okay,
wins.
A retry. A rematch of these. Just a rematch. It was not supposed to happen.
Player one. Brae's winning 2-1.
Well, at least I still got two. Daddy
So he wants to do the construction site again. So I'm good with that.
I thought the ramp would help me. Afraid not.
Okay, hit your start button.
Let's do another one. Crispy red truck.
Crispy fried truck.
Oh, it's locked.
It's locked. Can't get there yet.
What would you do?
Let's do that one. You got to ramp off of. Let's do cars attacks. Going back to my junker. See how good we do on this one. I mean, let's see how good I do on this one. I got to win again to tie it at 2. I'm trying to remember what this one is. Oh no!
Well, okay.
Got to ramp off that. Oh, great. Well, I didn't do any good because I completely missed it.
Go, go, go. Hey, look at me. I got 200. Oh, I got 300. I got 400. 600. 1,000. 1,400. 1,000. Maybe 2,000.
Brae has
I got 2,000.
$2.4 million in damage. I only got 5,000, so obviously I lost. I gotta go back to deconstruction.
Yeah! Rematch.
That was
I would like to
that was
do
horrible.
that again. Okay, rematch. Let's do
One
cards
more.
attack again. Ooh.
Now we'll go back to the construction site. That's the one you do better in. I mean, I do better in.
No.
Brae totaled 25 cars. I totaled none. And Brae is now leading 3-1. Press start button. Going back to my baby. Brae gets the fancy cars. All right, let's crash some cars. Come on. All right, here we go.
I'm not going
Oh, that was horrible.
to. I already got $50,000.
Cool, give him some more. I just passed Brae up.
But you what? I did not know that.
I passed him up.
Oh, a rematch. A rematch.
Alright, let's see. 4,
I got
3,
a bigger
2.
explosion than you.
Bah!
What do you get? I got a bigger explosion. Rematch. How do you do it?
I don't know. But guys, that's it for right now. We will come back and do the another one here later, okay? So please like and subscribe and we'll be back soon.